Hello everyone, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktail. It's me, Bill the Drunken Sailor, and I'm here to show you on our favorite day of the week, nice, easy, delicious cocktails. Our favorite day of the week, you say? Yes, it's Fan Friday. This is the day where we make cocktails that you, the subscriber, ask us to make. Well, today's cocktail was a pretty general request, but it's from an old friend, Carol. And Carol has asked us, with Easter coming, she wants some cocktails that are flavored with Anisette. Now, if you've never had Anisette before, it is made from the anise plant. And there's a couple other liqueurs that are in that category. You've got Sambuca, you've got Ouzo, and a spirit that you all may have heard of at some point, absinthe. It's very polarizing. Some people love black licorice. That's the flavor. Some people don't. Carol likes it. I like it. We're going to make it. Today's cocktail, the Orange Spur. Let's get pouring. This cocktail, as I said, is very simple to make. We've got basically 3 different ingredients. It's pretty spirit forward, but they're not super high proof, so you just might like it. And of course, we have a 4th ingredient, and that's some bitters. Our first ingredient, of course, is Anisette. And as I say, it's that black licorice. If you don't like black jelly beans, you're not going to like this video, but if you like black jelly beans, you're going to love this one. We're going to put in there 1/2 of an ounce, and we're using Mr. Boston's. It's a great flavor to it. I've been using this for years and years and years. 1/2 ounce. Our next ingredient in there is actually Aperol. So it's some orange flavor in there, a little bit on the bitter side, but 1/2 of an ounce. Our last ingredient going in there is vodka. And today we're using the Belvedere. This is my favorite vodka. So we got several of my favorite things in this cocktail. You know I'm going to like it. We're going to put in there 2 full ounces. Now, as you can see, I'm making this cocktail in a mixing glass. The reason we're using a mixing glass is we do not have any fruit juices, any pulp, that kind of stuff. That lends itself to stirring a cocktail versus shaking it. Our last ingredient that needs to go in there, though, is some aromatic bitters. So we're using Angostura Bitters. We're going to put 2 dashes in there. We've got a great orange color to it. Now what we need to do is ice it up so we can stir it down. Because this is a very alcohol-forward cocktail, I'm going to use smaller cubes in there. As we stir it, they're going to tend to melt a little bit more and dilute. Put that in there, put your spoon in, and let's give this a stir. We're going to put about 30 or 40 rounds around there. That's going to melt that ice, dilute the cocktail. It's also going to chill it down to make it nice and cold. We're not going to put any ice in the glass on this one. I lost count, but I think we're right about the right spot for that. Now that we've got that fully chilled down, we're going to take our Nick Nora glass that's been chilling. Got a nice frosty glass on there. We're going to use a julep strainer. Now, if you need some of these bar tools, we do have an Amazon page. You'll see a link to it there, and it's also going to be a link down in the description. You can go onto Amazon, and you can find these items. It helps support our channel. You're not going to pay any extra for it. We're going to pour that in there. Go right to the top with it, and we're in the home stretch. Now what I want to do is garnish. And as I said, this is an anise flavored cocktail. So what we're going to use, and if you've never seen it before, this is the Anise Star. This is what's ground up to make all those great licorice flavors. And we're simply going to float that on the top. And there is today's Easter cocktail for Carol, the Orange Spur. That is so good.
No.
Somebody in the house doesn't like black licorice, doesn't like anise. I'm telling you, this one is absolutely amazing. It's got that nice, sweet anise flavor that's coming through. You've got a little bit of that bitter and the orange coloring that's coming from the Aperol. Somebody does like Aperol. And then, of course, we've got the Belvedere vodka. Nice, smooth, delicious. It's cold. It's refreshing. Happy Easter, Carol.